Essentra Components' complete selection of essential components provides a sustainable solution for protection, electronics, fasteners, and hardware in existing and emerging industries, including equipment manufacturing, industrial electronics, production machinery, renewable energy, automotive, and more. The extensive product line consists of more than 40,000 in-stock essential components designed to meet the specific requirements in a wide range of end-user applications. Product scalability is offered for all essential components, including fasteners and microplastics. From twist ties, wire harness clamps, wire wraps, cable ties, and tie holders to LED mounts, PCB guides, standoffs, pillars, bumps, bushings, clips, rivets, and screws. Essentra Components product line is readily available at Heilind.com for a scalable and sustainable essential component solution that meets end-user specific requirements.